Greetings, greetings, greetings. Hope you guys had a great week getting started with directed readings and research. And last week we talked about just kind of the nature and the purpose of research. So, you know, people make all sorts of claims and make all sorts of statements. Michael Jordan is the GOAT. No, it's Kobe Bryant. No, it's James. And so we can use, numbers to validate that. That claim. We could do some type of research where we go back and look at historical data, um, of them in their prime, etc. Um, During the PowerPoint presentation, we've heard all these different claims. Like we hear commercials all the time, like Bounty's the quicker picker upper. In terms of the best paper towel. And so that's a claim that they make. Crest is the best toothpaste. And so you can make all these claims, but how can we prove it? And we do that by using the research process and conducting research. And so chapter 2 this week we're going to talk about the research process and what that entails. How do we get to, get to the point where we're asking a question and collecting data and actually going through that scientific method that we talked about last week. So we have to get to a question and form a hypothesis, develop a research plan, collect data, interpret the results, conclusions, and then that typically leads us to an additional question. So this week, you guys are going to talk about the 12 steps of research and what they are. So your assignment this week is to go to the library, find out who the librarian is for your subject, which is kinesiology. Talk about the 12 steps of research, and then begin to think about a topic that you're going to write about, because what the end result of this course is you actually having a literature review of a topic. So start thinking about what type of topic you want to write about that's scientific. And so, come up with some search terms, and by Sunday, you should have at least 3 articles to upload with your assignment. So this is your first library assignment. You'll go to the library, of course, virtually, find out who your librarian's name and information. And your librarian is a very valuable resource in this process, because they're going to help you along the way. Kind of narrow down your search terms and actually come up with search terms to help you find what you want with regard to a topic or the topic that you're going to write about for this particular course. And then by Sunday, all this information should be uploaded into library assignment 1, the 3 articles related to your topic. So don't hesitate to reach out to me with questions regarding this assignment, but you will be going to the library, of course, virtually, through your library link that's already in Blackboard to help put together your literature review for this semester. So the literature review, is at the very least going to be a 10-page 10-page paper. It's probably going to end up being around 15 for this course. So begin to think about topics, and if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me via Blackboard, via email. All right. Have a great week, and talk to you soon.